Hey everyone, it's me, Mike Merone, showing you how to make the world's famous chicken cutlets. We have everything already prepped for you in the background. As you can see, I have myself fresh chicken breast. Fresh is best. I have the eggs. And now we're going to add ourselves 4C breadcrumbs, the best for the fresh. I use 4C breadcrumbs because 4C breadcrumbs are the best. And if you look from the back here, they are made. They are made. Let's see if we can get in on there. Let's see if we can focus in, back it up. They are made in Brooklyn. Yes, they're made in Brooklyn, New York. So 4C breadcrumbs, the best. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the 4C breadcrumbs and put it into the plate, and I'll get right back with that as well. So here we go. So we take the 4C breadcrumbs, as you see. You pull the 4C breadcrumbs in here like that. Nice, and I like 4C breadcrumbs because they are just the best in the world. And I have the chicken and sauteed in the milk. In the eggs and the chicken. So we take one of the chickens out. I put it in here like this. I take it and put it on top like that. Like that. Pat it down a little bit. Now I like to double dip. I like to make my chicken cutlets a little extra bready. That's not good for the stomach and the waist, but I like to put another layer on top like that. And put that right on top of there like that, twist it around, and I take it. The temperature is not that high yet, so I'm going to raise it up to, let's raise it up to like a 5. I'm going to wait a couple minutes for that to heat up. So that's how we do it right now. We have the chicken already freshly cut right there. We got the chicken inside the eggs with a little milk, 3 eggs. And then we have the chicken, we saute it, and then we put it in the pan, like that. See it? It's nice in the pan. The pan's, it's not that hot yet, but it's okay. The oil gives it flavor. I use corn oil as well. Corn oil or Raps. Raps is better, and corn oil gives you a better taste. It's not as good, but Raps is healthier for you. So there's many ways to do certain things. Like I say, we'll do it one more time. We take the chicken, we put it in like that. We cover up the bread. Get it right like that, like this, and go like this. I like to double dip it because it's a thick piece. Put a little extra on that side and that side. Put it right like that. Put the eggs on there, and we put it right in the frying pan. Boof, as you can see it. It'll start to get a little hot in a little while. Okay, so that's our part 1. How chicken cutlets, put them in the thing, 4C breadcrumbs, and into the frying pan. Part 2 will be the aftermath of what the chicken cutlets look like. So, hope you like my video. Peace out. Chicken Cutlets by Mike Merone. Peace.